Ah, yes, baby. Woo, boy! Love this shit, man. I love this shit. What's good, everyone? It's your boy Draco, back with another video. Hopefully everyone's doing well. Shit, man, this is like my first video of actually like commentary. It's been a while since I really talked to— oh shit, what's good, bro? Oh, it feels so good. It's been like 4 days and I just haven't ridden. The weather out here has been really weird, so hopefully it holds it down for today. It's a little overcast, cloudy. Stated it was possibly gonna thunderstorm a little later, but they ain't gonna stop us from riding. Yeah, so right now we're actually on the way to my homie's crib, Slender's crib, to mess around with his bike. I think he got it back and running, but you know, we'll see. Yes. Wee, boy! I love this shit. We got the new bike. New to him bike. But it's like 70 degrees. Nice overcast. Nice cool day. It's not too humid out. Even though it's been raining, it's still kind of cool, but it's still humid at the same time, if that makes sense. But I'm really hoping the audio is like good, because I don't know. This is like the first test. This is the first test with this mic setup, so I really don't know if y'all can hear me, or even like if there's wind noise. I mean, I have the mic really secured because I have it exactly set up how I had it set up on my jacket. So like, I don't know if you guys watched, because I only have 4 subscribers, so I'm not sure if anyone has watched my previous videos, and if you haven't, please go do so. Like, comment, subscribe, and there's always going to be more content coming your way, because I ride all the time. So, but yeah, I'm pretty much always recording when I ride, you know, my free time. So yeah, for my previous videos, my mic's strapped to the back of my jacket to pretty much allow that exhaust note, to get that exhaust note. But sorry, this is just so much different, riding, talking, but I feel like I'm doing all right. Hold on, let's just get through this shit. Hopefully no federations on this road. Gotta love a motorcycle, you can just get through anything, you know? But I've noticed, this road used to be the road, man. Like, we used to get on this bitch, but there'd be some all black explorers just kind of chilling around, trying to be sneaky, and I ain't with that shit. I'm already speeding anyway, so actually no, I'm not speeding. I'm going the speed limit, by the way. I'm actually not even riding. This is just a voiceover. But yeah, as I was saying, the mic setup is exactly how I have it on the rear of my jacket, but instead I have it in my helmet. So I'm using the Purple Panda, or the, yeah, Purple Panda, I guess it's called, mic setup, and I have it just pinned up in my helmet right now. So it should be good quality sound, like no wind noise. But like I said, it's hard to know. I'm really just guessing. I rushed to get this set up right, but I'm pretty sure it worked out. I already had the vision, you know. When you have the vision, it tends to work out well. That's just 340 M340i. Very nice car. I don't know, I'm all over the place. Whoa there, buddy. That's one thing. One thing I learned is to be very vigilant. I've always been vigilant. That's one thing about me. I've always been a vigilant driver because I used to work in an industry. I drove for a living, so I had to be very vigilant in order to dodge these shitty ass drivers like that in an Altima. But yeah, man, you got to be very vigilant on these roads because people, they see you, but they act like they don't see you sometimes. I feel like, you know, it just surprises me. You know, there'd be times I'd be driving and I swear, you know, maybe it's just me looking out for the other motorcyclists, but I swear I see them, you know, I see them, but they do become invisible. But like this guy, like, put your hazards on, you know, like, people don't know what you're doing, you know, and that's just the way people are nowadays. They do what they please. There's been a lot of people going down in these past months for things that could most likely be avoided. I understand, like, when you ride, you want to go fast. Like, don't get me wrong, we move at higher rates of speed because it just feels right, you know, it feels right to move quicker. But at the end of the day, you know, it could lead to detrimental things, which we don't want happening, man. We want to go back home and, you know, enjoy our families, our pets, our beds, and be able to ride another day, you know. So one thing I learned when it came to riding is pay attention to the front wheel, and shout out to Killer Cam for that one. And I feel like I kind of like used it more because, you know, I was always looking at the car, specifically a car right there. When I'm coming down, I'm like watching, you know, what is he gonna do? Does he see me? Does he not see me? You know, you kind of just have to assume that no one sees you, even though you're in plain daylight with a bike loud as it's just not enough because people are just on their own zones. Just watch out, y'all. Simple as that. Be vigilant. Be responsible. Yeah, we're almost at my buddy's crib. He got some new things on the bike. The ZX7R. It's a 1997, so it's been around for a long time. Damn near longer than me, but that's his baby. Man's had it for a long time. He's been riding for a very long time. He's been riding for like 10 years. I'm like, damn, bro, you was riding when we was young. Like, I'm young, but damn, like, this man's been riding younger than young. They all around. Let's go. Now we gotta be civil, because neighborhood. That's one thing. Sport bikes don't like to go slow. Like, I'm going 43, but this feels normal. Like, I feel safe. Oh. It's just hard. I can't go 25 on this thing. I can't. It's not a real thing. Oh gosh, man. Oh, great. Get the f out of the road, man. Like this. Yeah, let's do this right at the turn. Alright, y'all, I'm about to pull it to my homie's crib. I'll check back with y'all soon. back from chilling with the homies actually. Yeah, my boy got the ZX7 up and running. It seemed like it was vapor locking, specifically where his gas cap was, but he got that resolved. So right now he's just kind of getting the bike back together, and you know, extra little modifications. It's a project, you know, projects never end, even though they might look like they're done. But shout out to my man Slenda, he be putting to work with that junk, seriously. But yeah, right now we're on the way back to the crib. Nice little, you know, ride to end it. Still feels really nice out. If anything, it feels better than earlier. Yeah, he also got the new tail light for his bike that looks really good. We were having some troubles with the wiring, but you know, there was no directions with the tail light, but he figured it out. And that man just ran a red light. Oh, ZX6! Damn, that shit sound crazy. Do a wheelie! Do a wheelie! Hell yeah. I would follow, but I'm going home. He got their Graves exhaust on that. There you go. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, boy. We out here today. Oh, shit. Damn, I would pop my back. You know what's crazy? Virginia, they hate motorcycles, man. They do. Oh, shit. Oh, here we go. Wow. But yeah, I swear, the sensors never pick up motorcycles. Did it? Come on. Oh, yeah. Yeah, man. All the time. But you gotta finesse it. Yeah, we're just gonna have a nice cruise ride through this area. Then we're gonna enter the highway. Hell yeah. That was fun. That turn felt good. That's the first time I've been able to like take that turn off that exit and like get it, you know. I mean, a lot of times there'll be cars there slowing me down. It's like a perfect time to ride because there's not many people on the road, but you know, enough to still look normal, I guess. Feels so good. Feels so good. What's up, man? I know you want one. I'll just wait. Should I go? Yep, I'm gonna go. Whee! We're gonna be here for a little bit. I need some damn water, boy. Hydration is highly needed right now. Your boy is hot, parched, in need. That's a red ass Volkswagen. Oh, I can't even see the turn. Yeah, I mean, this is pretty much it. I appreciate you guys tuning into my video, and if you like it, like, comment, and subscribe, and you know, maybe I'll make another one. But this is just kind of like a test run of the capabilities of this mic, because I bought it for, you know, reasons. So hopefully y'all like it. Simple as that. I'm just glad it worked out. I was able to check it actually earlier when I got to my homie's crib. You know, the quality of the audio was good and it was really nice, so I'm glad it worked out. But yeah, guys, if you have any suggestions in the comments, you know, maybe things I can do better in this whole thing, or maybe things you want to see. Obviously, I'm riding on this beautiful bike, and maybe I should reveal the bike. I mean, I don't know if you guys follow me, but ZX6R Draco, go follow on Instagram, or just I can make a damn video on pretty much what I'm riding. So you guys stay safe out there. See you soon. Peace.